everyone, welcome to the How I Style My Hair video. I literally go in depth, starting from soaking wet hair. I show you all the products that I use, hair products, hair oils, hair sprays, blow dryers, curling irons, everything that I have in my arsenal to get this look right here. That is my go-to almost nearly everyday look. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so let's talk about this hair wrap. I got this, let me get comfy. I got this for Christmas a few years ago and I love it. I honestly don't know where it was bought, but I found some similar ones for you guys and linked it in the description box. It's made from this t-shirt material, so it's very thin, very soft, and this is what I put my hair up in after the shower. Hold on. This is how I towel dry my hair now. I don't actually use a towel, I just wrap it in this t-shirt material type of thing. We're literally starting from scratch. Here is exactly what I do. I've been using this detangling spray. I've seen somewhere that it's not that good. I don't know what people are talking about because I like it. This works for me. Since I do have extensions, I need to be really gentle when I'm brushing my hair. So the detangling spray is a must for me. Then I've got this wet brush dupe from Amazon. It's made for hair extensions. So it's really gentle on my hair. It doesn't pull and it doesn't get caught in the wefts of the extension and pull. Then, okay, this is my second bottle. It's halfway gone. This is the Way Leave-In Conditioner. Smells so good that I actually bought the perfume because I can't. So I've noticed that when I spray it like this, this gets everywhere, okay? I'll find it on the walls, I'll find it on the mirrors in my bathroom. I'm like, what is going on? So I actually just spray this into the palm of my hands, like that. And I always do that. I always stop and smell it. It smells so good. And then I'll just comb this through with my fingers. And I will like smooth down the ends. I always go downward like this. If you notice, I only put the product from here down. I don't really get anywhere close to the scalp because that's where my hair's natural oil is. And then this is the best thing ever. I got this because Desi Perkins recommended it. Literally love her. I've been following her for years. It's ridiculous. This is the Color Wow Dream Coat Super Natural Spray. This is truly the best anti-frizz product I have ever used. This is how the models and the actresses get their hair so silky and smooth. I'm not kidding. I use this every other time, but it says here on the bottle use every 3 to 4 shampoos. I use this every other time because I do have extensions, and extensions dry out faster than my real hair. It says magically transform texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. It's true. Texas is so humid. It's like you walk outside and you start to drown, okay? That's how humid it is in Texas. And this stands up to the humidity. Y'all, I promise you this is a bet. It's out of everything, out of all the products that I recommend, I highly recommend this one, like #1. Okay, so these are all the products that I use. Now, let me talk about my new favorite blow dryer. So, I'm gonna compare because I have a new favorite one and these are the ones that I used to use. This is the one that I use now. This is a dupe for the Dyson, except it is like $200 more affordable. I remember seeing a commercial for the Dyson when it first came out and it said that the motor was in the handle and I'm like, how genius is that? Why has that not been a thing yet? All of the other blow dryers, the motor is here. So when you're blow drying your hair, it's heavy on the wrist and your wrist hurts. I have so much hair, it takes so long to blow dry it. By the time I'm finished, my hand is cramping, it hurts. Finally, the motor has been placed here, where the hand is. So there's not a lot of heavy weight right here, and it doesn't hurt my hand to blow dry my hair. It's just brilliant. Like, this is the future. This is where blow dryers should have been years ago. I'm very happy that I'm alive to see this day. This is the, I think I'm gonna say this wrong, Tanico or Taneko, but I like Tanico, it sounds cute. So if that's not the name, I've officially renamed it, I'm sorry. I love the color. It's beautiful. It's got an auto setting and a humidity sensor right here. So on auto, it can sense how wet your hair is via the humidity that's coming off of it, and it adjusts the temperature according to how wet your hair is. This is the smartest blow dryer I have ever had. It does the thinking for me. It understands what heat and what fan speed my hair needs while I'm blow drying it. It also comes with 3 heads. I'll go find the other ones, which are magnetic. This head right here is the overall blow drying head. This is what I use normally. And this one right here is for styling. So this is for like the real blowout. This is for when you've got curly hair. You know, it's funny, my hair is actually wavy. It's got these really pretty natural beach waves, but my extensions are straight. So I cannot use this yet until I take my extensions out. There's a manual mode, which is you're in control and you're straight for styling. Full mode, styling mode, pet mode. Set your dryer to medium heat and airflow to dry your pets. Kids mode, dry the hair of your baby with moderate heat and airflow. Are you serious? This is incredible. So as you guys know, I was using this for the longest time, but now that I have extensions, I can't. It pulls my extensions. Also, the thing that I did not like about it was there's just a high mode and a low mode. The high is really hot. I always felt like I was damaging my hair, even though I really love the style of it, the look of it, using this device. But now that I have extensions, I haven't used this in months. I mean, this is just the future, and I love it. So, okay, so let me plug this in and show you guys the auto setting. This is the on button, and it will automatically start in the auto. And then it's got max over here, so you can go as high as you want to, and then go back to auto, and then this is the cool setting right here. Here it is, it's on. You see how it turned to red? See? You can tell when it's not on your hair. It's incredible. Okay, so my hair is about 80% dry. It's still kind of damp. So what I do is I will get half of it, pin it up like this, actually put on the styling head right here at this part, and I'll go in and I will finish drying my hair with my brush. One of these days I'm going to get one of those round brushes, but I have not done that yet. Hair is dry. I can't wear my hair straight because my real hair is not yet long enough to blend in with the extensions. So I curl it every single damn day. There's a lot that goes in to styling my hair, and it's because I've got the extensions. So, you know, I do recommend extensions because I absolutely love them and I feel beautiful in them, and I love, love, love having this thick, beautiful hair that holds a curl and everything. However, it is a lot of work. So let me go get my curling iron and finish off my hair. The way I curl my hair is so easy, it's ridiculous. Because at this point, I'm tired. I don't even want to curl my hair, but I know that I have to. So I keep it simple, I keep it easy for everyday use. Let me show you what I do. Okay, anytime I go to the salon and get my hair done, Bryn styles my hair in the most perfect way. But I bought the same curling iron that she uses. So this is actually just a $50 curling iron from Amazon. Fabulous Pro Nano Titanium Spring Curling Iron in the 1 1/4 inch barrel. What I do is I'll separate my hair into 3 parts since it's so dang thick. I'll get a strand, you know, about 1 inch thick, and I'll curl away from my face. I'll pull down a little bit to kind of straighten and smooth the top part, and then I'll curl. Sit here for a little bit. And then I move down and do a second portion of my hair, and honestly, the same thing. For me, it's really about the hair products that I put in before my hair is even dry, and taking my time and being patient, and it always pays off. Also, the curling iron is amazing. So, top layer, final layer, and it's really the same thing. I split my hair right down the middle, and then I go through the front 2 pieces I saved for last because those are the ones that really need to be styled. Let's put these off to the side. Curl away from my face, and I pull down a little bit to kind of flatten the top part. My real hair does not need to be held in the curling iron as long as my extensions do, because my real hair is fine and thin. 2 strikes against me. Whereas the extensions are thick and beautiful. My real hair is over here like, it's true. So the top layer I don't have to spend so much time on. If I did not have extensions, it would take me like 30 minutes to do my hair from start to finish. I feel so emo right now. Hey Siri, play Fall Out Boy. So the front 2 pieces, real easy. Bring it down and then begin the curl. Set it back there. It's so difficult to do this left-handed. Okay. That's how I get those feathery pieces in the front. And then I get the infamous dry texturing spray from, you know I'm gonna say this wrong, Oribe? Where do people come up with these names? Anyways, this right here. This smells great too, by the way. And that, you guys, that's it. 1 hour later. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. Worth the time that it takes, definitely worth the effort. And this is what it looks like. So yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching. You guys are the best. I'm gonna start doing some more vlogs, so I'm glad that you're here. Hit that subscribe button. The next video that I plan on doing is what I eat in a day, and that's gonna come to you in a couple weeks because I'm about to go to Miami and I just wanna have a nice, relaxing vacation. Love you. I appreciate you so much.